Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to basically upgrade your fishing rod in 99 Nights in the Forest. And this is a new update that just came out. So all you want to do is just first, obviously upgrade your campfire so you can actually, get the fishing rod itself. Once you get the fishing rod, I'm going to show you exactly how to upgrade it. And let me just get it to level 2. Anyways, once you do get it to level 2, it's pretty simple to actually get it. And also, let me just quickly get it to level 2. I can also show you where to actually get it. Okay, once it reaches level 2, you want to make your way over to this blue hut right here. It should have 3 flags on it and a fishing logo right in front of it. You want to go ahead and open the door, and you want to make your way over to the old rods right here. Now, as you can see, there is a bar on the bottom left which says level 1, and basically you just want to click on it, or you want to basically fish. You want to actually unlock fishes, and once you do, it will automatically go up. Now I would assume that the higher level fishing rod that you have, and the better fish that you actually unlock, that is how you will get more XP. But other than that, basically, if you want to just get XP, you just have to fish in the, I would assume, like these circle areas, because that's like what's highlighted. So I would just do that and then keep fishing, and then your fishing XP will go up, and you will be able to unlock a better rod, or you will be able to upgrade it and unlock better tier fish as well. So that is it. That's really simple. That is how to upgrade your fishing rod in 99 Nights in the Forest. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.